And can I tell you, God is not static. He is not उसके जोड़े वो ऐसा नहीं, वो सिंहासन पे बैठा है, वो हिलता नहीं है.
God is not like he sits on the throne and cannot move, does not move.
For as many as are led by the Spirit of God, that means if you have to be led by the Spirit of God, that means Spirit of God is moving, then only you are able to be led by the Spirit of God. The Spirit of God is not standing in one place. The Spirit of God is moving, and you move with the Spirit of God.
जितने लोग आत्मा के चलाए चलते हैं वे परमेश्वर के पुत्र हैं. इसका मतलब परमेश्वर का आत्मा एक जगह रुका हुआ ठहरा हुआ नहीं है, वो आत्मा चल रहा है और जितने उसके साथ चलते हैं वो उसके पुत्र हैं.
Amen. That's why it's a living relationship with Him.
इसीलिए एक जिंदा रिश्ता है उसके साथ.
It's not like we have a code, 10 code of conduct written, and if you say the same thing today, you say the same thing 40 years. No, every day He's going to talk something fresh. He's going to reveal something fresh, because as He was leading Israelites out of Egypt into the promised land, so He is leading you towards your destiny so that you will fulfill your race.
और ऐसा नहीं कि 10 बातें हैं, आज भी यही बोल रहे हैं, 40 साल बाद भी यही बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन वो परमेश्वर का आत्मा एक ताजी रोटी आपको देता चला जाएगा. जैसे इजरायलियों को उसने चलाया, इतने साल आपके साथ चलता चला जाएगा.
Amen. He isn't a dead God.
वो एक मरा हुआ ईश्वर नहीं.